Well folks, it finally snowed here in East Tennessee, so we're going to build us a smoke box out of snow. We're going to pipe our smoke over from the smoker, and we're going to smoke some cheese. Got a little grill grate here. A piece of pipe, we have to cut it to length. We're going to take this tote and we're going to pack this full of snow and use this as a mold to build our box. Ooh, that's cold. I'll find something to pack this with so we can get it good and tight so our smoke box will hold shape. That took more snow than I thought it was going to once you pack it in. Now, you get this up here and hopefully it comes out. So I didn't realize I knocked my mic off and buried it in the snow, so I don't know how much y'all heard or didn't get to hear. So just in case, we got all this carved out, we got it all fixed up, we got our grill grate, we got it bent so it'll fit right inside. We cut our hole in the back and we got our pipe cut to length and ran over to the smoker. Now we're going to connect it to the smoker with some aluminum foil, and then we're going to start our fire and see what kind of smoke we get. We're going to try to make us an elbow with aluminum foil. See how that works. Let me get our charcoal going. We're just getting a little bit, and then I got some apple chips that we're going to add for the smoke. Actually, we're using pellets for a pellet smoker. I found out they work really great for a regular smoker as well. All right, y'all, we got our cheese in the smoker. We have enough room to put 3 1-pound blocks. We got Kobe Jack, sharp cheddar, and pepper jack. Cheese. Charcoal's ready to go. Let's fire it up. Pile some snow over the pipe. Want to make sure it's, smoke is cold. All right, y'all, we got smoke. It's working. Now we got to build some kind of door. I think we're just going to build a snow wall, and we're just going to check it back in about 3 hours. Leave a little vent in the top. So I went ahead and decorated him up a little bit. He is smoking like a champ. There's no heat. Everything's still cold. Showing no heat on the thermostat. Exhaust pipe coming out of here is cold. Barely feel a little bit of warmth on the aluminum foil here. But the pipe is cold. We'll check on it in about 3 hours. So y'all, while this is cooking, I'll give y'all a quick update on Uncle Bill. As some of y'all know, he had a bacterial infection. It ended up settling in his leg and did a lot of muscle and tissue damage. They were discussing amputation, but the surgeon made it his mission to save his leg. And after about a month of having surgery every 3 days to clean it and rewrap it and all that stuff, they finally closed up his leg, and it seems everything was successful, and he was able to get up and walk with a walker. Not very far, about 16 steps or so. He's done that a couple of times. They are looking at moving him from Knoxville to Western Tennessee to a rehabilitation center for a couple of months to get him fully back on his feet. The only one that his insurance would cover. So he's going to be away from his kid, and you know, it's just not going to be feasible for anybody to go see him because it's probably going to be about 8 hours away. So y'all leave lots of comments, like this video, and keep him entertained with the comments. And check out our Facebook page and our group, and just keep Bill entertained so he can keep his spirits high and get this rehabilitation done. Yeah, and at this point, the YouTube channel is for him. I mean, that's going to be his only source of income. So please like, comment, subscribe if you hadn't already, and find somebody to share it to. If you know somebody that likes our kind of content or you think might like it, share it. Let's double our subscriptions, and let's make it where Bill don't have to worry about his bills. And we'll see you when the cheese is done. Want a ball? Huh? Want a ball? Want the ball? Want it? Want it? You want the ball? You want the ball? Want the ball? Go get it. Alright, y'all, so it's been about 4.5 hours. Now we're going to cut it open and see how it looks. So I'm not expecting this to taste really good right now, because supposedly you have to put it in a bag, in a vacuum sealed bag, put it in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 months to let the smoke flavor mellow out. But we're going to go ahead and give it a try, and then we'll bag it up and see how it tastes. In a few months we'll smoke up some meat and do like a charcuterie board sometime in the future. Cut this little piece off the corner here. Alright, so here it is. It's very, very, very smoky. It does need a mellow. So that's going to be it for this video. We're going to put this in a vacuum bag, put it in the refrigerator for 2 or 3 months, and we'll come back and make a smoked meat charcuterie board with our smoked cheese. And please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.